What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and this month in my intermediate online breaking classes, we're learning about threads, how to do them, how to use them, and also how to get creative with them. Today, we're gonna be doing a thread training video to make sure that all of us are up to speed. If you need extra help with your breaking or just need something to do at home, make sure you hop into one of my beginner or intermediate breaking classes linked below. We do classes every single week, and the classes are saved online so you can watch them at any time. Without further ado, let's get into our training. Alright, y'all, so this is the homework for my thread class. And for some of you, you might think that this is really easy, but this training is intended for someone that is beginning and new to threads to make sure that you never break a thread. Okay? So the first thing is we're gonna go ahead and grab our toe, and we're gonna be doing 10 threads slowly. Okay, if you don't know how to do threads yet, make sure you go watch one of my thread videos or hop into my intermediate online breaking class. We're basically gonna do 3 sets of 10 threads on each leg, and we're gonna start off really slow and then speed up. The whole goal is to make sure that we are doing this flawlessly without bumping our feet together. Okay, so grab your foot and we're gonna do 10 slow and controlled. Ready? We go thread through and back. That's 1. Go again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now when you're training this, I want to tell you this: if you bump your legs, it's not going to count, right? Don't count that one. Count it as a mistake, right? Bumping your leg like this is equivalent to you falling while you're dancing. So while we're doing this training, make it a note: if you bump your foot at all, it doesn't count. So the whole goal right now is precision. Okay. First round was slow. Second round, let's speed it up just a little bit. Okay? Here we go. Ready? And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. And I wasn't actually expecting this, but I feel a burn in my leg, right? You know, threads can be a workout too, okay? So last one is when we go fast, right? If you're not ready to go fast, you don't have to go too fast, right? It's just, you know, speed up a little bit, okay? The whole goal, again, is that precision. We don't want to bump our legs, right? We want to practice this so that when we're actually dancing, we don't break our threads, okay? So let's go. Last one. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, hopefully by now you got the thread down. Now, other side, ready? This is often most people's downfall, is they get good on one side, the other side, you know, they're really sloppy, right? So when you go on thread and you get to the other side, sometimes people avoid using their other side because they're not comfortable with it. We gotta make sure that we get comfortable on both sides so we get, you know, universal threads, okay? First one, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, y'all. Okay, now rest your leg. Again, We're going slow because we want that precision. We don't want to bump or scrape or get anywhere close to bumping into each other. Think of this as like an engine, right? If the engine's off a little bit, it's a little bit rough. We want our engine to run smooth. So we gotta make sure, we gotta fine tune or give our threads a tune up by taking it slow, by taking our time, by making them nice, okay? If this is your bad side, again, this next set, don't go too fast, okay? Here we go. Leaning to the side, you can even lay down just like this. And here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job, y'all. Okay, now if you really want to give yourself a test, you could do all the threads not looking at your legs. When you look at your legs, it definitely helps a lot, right? You can see exactly what you're doing, how close you're getting. But when you do it without looking, it really puts your body and mind to the test, right? You really gotta almost sense it, okay? So if you wanna really put yourself to a test, let's do it by looking straight forward the whole time, not looking at it, okay? Really feel it out, feel the threads, make sure none of them are scraping at all, okay? Here we go, last round, ready? Leg is back, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, y'all, make sure that you practice this drill. Practice it a couple times, right? Don't just do it this one time and then let it go. Practice it a couple times. Really get those threads down. Really practice them, making sure they're nice and precise. If you need extra help with your threads, you can either watch one of my thread videos or you can hop into my intermediate online breaking classes where all month we're gonna be spending on threads, okay? I hope all of you are doing well. And if anyone wants to show support for this channel, you can do so by purchasing one of my shirts or sweaters or hoodies from my merch. You can also support for free by easily pressing the like button, leaving a comment about what you want to see next, and also pressing subscribe. All right, hope everyone's doing well. I'll see you soon. Peace.